Lucy, where are you? Where'd you run off to, sweetheart? You're missing the party, babe. Are you in here? Please come out, sweetie. I swear she better not be making a move on Frank already. I told her to wait until January, not literally on New Year's Eve. Well, they told me not to disguise a hellhound as a housewife, but no, I just had to insist on doing things my way. Stupid demons couldn't grow a spine long enough to tell me I was making a mistake. They're almost as bad as the sycophantic humans at work. Lucy, please come out if you're in here. I'm worried about you, sweetie. Are you... Is that a tail? Oh, please tell me Frank has a dog. What are you doing up here, hiding under a bed? You were supposed to be downstairs with me, schmoozing and making all of the wives jealous. More importantly, you aren't supposed to have a tail sticking out from under your cocktail dress. Did you seriously injure your human disguise in the middle of the corporate New Year's Eve party? What has gotten into you, girl? Don't just pout at me for hell's sake. For the millionth time, you are entirely capable of speaking English. Why don't you do so when it's just the two of us? Fine. You know what? Be difficult. See if I care. But you are not going to ruin your dress and your disguise crawling around under beds while I run cover for my wife's upset stomach downstairs. You are coming out from there right now. Come on. No. Do not make this more difficult than it has to be. Be a good girl and cooperate. Oh, you are in so much trouble when we get home. You are being a very bad girl. Do you hear me? Bad dog. Bad. Come out from under that bed right now, and I will consider allowing you to see the first sunrise of the new year from our bedroom instead of a doghouse. Come on. What has gotten into you, girl? This isn't like you at all. You misbehave, sure, but never like this. Is something wrong? Are you hurt? Did I do something wrong? Or... Oh. Seriously? Fireworks, of all things. A violent, hyper-intelligent, thousands of years old hellhound, squeezed into a human woman, squeezed into a cocktail dress, is reduced to a scared puppy when the fireworks start. I'm sorry. That's mean of me. You can't control it, I guess. And I'm sorry for trying to grab you. And for getting mad at you in the first place. I should have realized that you might have this reaction, but I've gotten so used to you pretending to be something you aren't that I had forgotten what you really are. This year's been a bit of an An adjustment period for the both of us, huh? I mean, I barely have time to take my beautiful wife to the park to play fetch anymore. But it doesn't matter how weird things have been for us, and it doesn't justify me scolding you for something that you can't control. Dogs and fireworks just don't mix, no matter what kind of dog they are, or how human they might appear. I'm sorry, my sweet girl. Would you please come out for me, sweetie? I promise you're not in trouble. I promise that I'm not mad. I just don't want you to be alone and possibly hurting yourself to try to stay hidden. You've already got that nasty cut where your tail broke free. We don't need to risk you injuring your disguise any more than that, do we? Just come on out for me. Look, it's just me. You don't have to see anyone else. No one will bother us. Here, look. See? Door's locked. We're all alone. It's just the two of us. I'll keep you safe. I promise. There's my good girl. Come here, sweetie. Oh, there you go. It's okay. It's okay. I've got you. You're safe. You're not in trouble. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Shh, shh, shh. It's okay. It's okay. I've got you. I've got you. Just hold on tight. It's okay. It's okay. Nothing can hurt you here when I've got you. It's okay. You're safe, my sweet girl. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Okay. Sweetie, is this over here your purse? Yeah. Okay. Just, if I back to the... Ah, there it is. There it is. Okay. Sweetie, hey, listen to me. I love your fluffy little tail more than anyone. But we've got to get it back under control, okay? A drop-dead bombshell like you can't be swinging around a tail covered in razor-sharp fur, now can she? At least, not at this party. So I'm gonna need you to retract it back inside, okay? Just reel it back in, and then I can apply this salve to the tear on your tailbone. The disguise should seal back up without even leaving a scar. Oh, no, you don't have to worry. Don't worry. You do not have to let go of me. I can see your back from across the room in that mirror. You don't have to move. You just get that tail in check, and I can do the rest, okay? Okay, good girl. Calm down. Relax. Just pull it back in. There you go. That's it. There you go. Good girl. Get that cute little tail back under control. That's it. That's it. There. All done? Let me see. Yeah, looks like you're all tucked away. Good girl. No, I don't think anyone saw you, sweetie. No one but me. Now, I've got to apply this on that tear. And I just want to warn you, it is going to sting. Like, really, really, really badly. But it'll only last a minute or two. Then you'll be good as new, okay? Don't worry, sweetie. I'll hold you until it's over, I promise. Plus, I packed one of your favorite stuffies to bite on while it heals. You want to hold Mr. Scratch for me? Yeah. There you go. That's right. That's a good girl. Just bite down on him while I spray this. Okay. Oh, just take a deep breath for me. Here we go. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. That's all. That's all. That's all. It's all right. I'm done. I'm done. It's done. No more spray. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Just hold on tight. That's it. That's it. Just let the salve work. It's okay. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. You're such a good girl. Such a big, brave girl for me. That's it. That's it. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Oh, there. It's all done now. The disguise looks good as new down there. Like nothing ever happened. Good girl. Good girl. Here, let me get your dress back in place. There we go. Why don't you lay down across my lap, sweetie? There you go. There you go. Just lay back. That's it. That's it. It's okay. You're safe and sound with me. No one's going to bother you. Nothing's going to hurt you. I'm just gonna hold you in my arms and scratch your tummy. That's it. That's it. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, who's a good girl? Who's my big, strong girl? You are. Yes, you are. That's a good girl. There you go. Hmm. Oh, she speaks. It's okay, sweetie. You don't need to apologize for anything. You didn't do anything wrong. You got a little bit overwhelmed. That's completely understandable. Lots of human girls get overwhelmed by big crowds and loud noises. Hell, lots of humans in general. I just don't want you to think that you have to hide from me when you need to go someplace quiet. And I don't want you to accidentally hurt yourself trying to get there either. I don't want you to damage your disguise trying to scuttle under a bed. I mean, just imagine what would have happened if someone like Frank or whoever had seen you with a tail sticking out from under your dress. I don't want to have to replace him quite so soon. It's okay. You're okay. You're okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I've got you. You're safe. I've got you. Just relax, girl. Everything's okay. You're safe with me, my cute little puppy. We don't need to go out there for a few more minutes, so take some time to collect yourself. Deep, calming breaths. That's it. That's it. Good girl. Who's my pretty girl? Huh? Who's my pretty pup? Oh, shh. Don't try to bark, you silly thing. Your disguise's vocal cords aren't made for barking, you know that. You silly little thing. You silly puppy. Who's my cute little puppy? Oh, look at you. Just look at you. Can't believe I've got the goofiest puppy imaginable, disguised as my wife. Here's to another year of this insanity, huh? Oh, good girl. Good girl. Relax, relax. Listen, before we go back out, we're gonna need an excuse for why we slipped away from the party into this bedroom. Don't arch your eyebrows at me, mutt. We're not actually going to do anything. We're just gonna, make it look like we did. I'll loosen my collar a little bit like this. And we'll get your hair a bit frazzled like this. Go ahead and take off your heels. You'll carry those out. We'll mess up your dress a little bit. go. Get those. There you go. And the last but not least. Wait, do you still have enough lipstick on? Yeah, you do. Okay, we're good. So, last but not least, give me a kiss right here on my neck. Not that kind of kiss. You absolutely infuriating dog. I don't need you drooling on my collar. A human kiss. Please. Thank you, sweetie. It's just so hard to get a nice kiss from your loving wife without them going feral nowadays, isn't it? Come on, let's get back out there. We'll leave soon, don't worry. Just don't forget to act tipsy and get a bit too close to Frank when you say your goodbyes, okay? We need to, lay the groundwork so that we can deal with him this year. In fact, tell you what, if you can make him blush, I'll let you watch whatever stupid dog movie you want when we get home. And you can bark at every dog you see as loudly as you want. How about that? Doesn't that sound fun? I know you'll do great. You always do. You're the best puppy I could ask for. No licking, no licking. That's better. Good girl. Hi, Whisper here. Thanks for listening. If you made it all the way to the end, be sure to leave a comment that says, in all caps, leave it. Also, if you liked these two characters and this little dynamic, this is actually the second audio to feature the both of them. The first one was on Patreon in October. It is not safe for YouTube. Did you know that hellhounds could go into heat? I sure didn't. Anyway, be sure to check out the Patreon if you want to hear that. Special thanks to my wonderful patrons, and especially special thanks to my whisperers tier patrons. Angela, Castiel, Kat Dominic, Solange, Starlight, and Ivana. I hope y'all have had a wonderful year, and I hope you have a wonderful 2024 as well. Thank you all.